So, China has recently pulled back the curtain on a new piece of military hardware. It's called the Jutan. The Jutan is designed to be a drone mothership. Imagine an airborne aircraft carrier, but specifically for unmanned aerial vehicles. Its name, translating to colossal altar or giant platform, hints at its ambitious scale and purpose. This development signals Beijing's push to innovate in unmanned warfare. The specifications of the Jutan are eye-opening. Reports suggest this massive aerial platform can carry and launch over 100 drones. The payload could include surveillance, electronic warfare, and armed attack drones. The Jutan itself is a hybrid, combining features of a large transport plane with specialized functions for deploying drones. Its operational altitude and range are still subjects of speculation. The development of such a system underscores a strategic focus within the People's Liberation Army. Drone swarms, launched from a mobile, high-capacity platform like the Jutan, fit perfectly into this strategy. The idea is to overwhelm an adversary's defenses through sheer numbers and coordinated attacks. The Jutan represents a significant leap in how China might envision future aerial combat and power projection. The primary military purpose envisioned for the Jutan is clear. It's designed for offensive operations. China aims to use this drone mothership to unleash overwhelming drone swarms. Imagine over 100 drones deployed simultaneously. These drones could be programmed for various missions. Some might conduct reconnaissance, others could engage in electronic warfare. Many would be armed, striking ground targets or naval assets. This creates a multi-layered attack that's difficult to counter. The Jutan acts as the enabler, bringing the swarm to the operational area. It would be supported by other assets, including long-range missile systems to suppress enemy air defenses. Fighter jets might provide air cover. The drones could also work with cyber attacks, degrading an enemy's response. Despite the ambitious vision, many military experts are expressing significant doubts about the Jutan's effectiveness. A primary concern is its sheer size. A large aircraft, capable of carrying over 100 drones, will inevitably be a massive target on any radar system. It's difficult, if not impossible, to make such a colossal platform truly stealthy. Modern air defense systems would likely detect the Jutan from a considerable distance. This early detection negates much of the surprise element crucial for offensive operations. Long-range surface-to-air missiles or enemy fighter aircraft could potentially intercept and destroy the mothership before it even gets close enough to deploy its drone swarm. The loss of the Jutan would mean the loss of a very expensive asset and the failure of its entire mission. Protecting such a high-value, high-visibility asset would require a significant commitment of other resources. The risk of mission failure due to technical glitches or enemy interference is substantial. To understand the potential pitfalls of relying on novel Chinese military technology, one can look at recent history. Pakistan has been a significant recipient of Chinese military hardware. This relationship often positions Pakistan as a de facto testing ground for Chinese weaponry. One notable instance involved Pakistan's attempt to use Chinese-supplied military technology in cross-border operations against India. This episode provides valuable insights into the actual performance of these systems. The specific engagement highlighted significant shortcomings. Despite claims of advanced capabilities, the Chinese technology employed by Pakistan reportedly underperformed. Drones may have failed to penetrate Indian airspace effectively, or they were quickly neutralized. Radar systems might not have provided the accurate picture promised, and communication links could have been disrupted. This suggests that even with direct assistance, the technology itself had inherent limitations or vulnerabilities. The Jutan, for all its futuristic appeal, will be judged against this backdrop of mixed real-world results. India's response to Pakistan's use of Chinese-supplied military technology has been a critical factor in these encounters. New Delhi has invested significantly in modernizing its own defense capabilities, specifically focusing on air defense, surveillance, and electronic warfare. When faced with incursions by Pakistan utilizing Chinese tech, Indian forces demonstrated an ability to detect, track, and neutralize these threats effectively. This success is not just about individual pieces of equipment, but about an integrated defense posture and well-trained personnel. In the specific instances where Pakistan deployed Chinese drones or other systems, India's countermeasures proved robust. This likely involved a layered air defense network, comprising radar systems capable of detecting small, low-flying drones and interceptor systems. Furthermore, India's electronic warfare capabilities would have played a crucial role in jamming drone control signals or disrupting guidance systems. The ability to quickly adapt tactics and leverage existing assets against new types of threats was clearly demonstrated. The significance of India's successful countermeasures extends beyond its immediate border security. It sends a message about the limitations of relying solely on imported technology without robust indigenous capabilities. For China, observing India's ability to counter technologies it supplied to Pakistan must be a point of concern. A crucial, often less visible, element in China's military strategy is its burgeoning satellite network. In the context of Pakistan's military operations, there have been consistent reports suggesting that China provides significant support through its space-based assets. This includes providing satellite imagery, signals intelligence, and potentially even data to aid in targeting or navigation for Pakistani forces using Chinese-origin weapon systems. This assistance aims to enhance the effectiveness of the hardware supplied by Beijing. The implications of this satellite support are far-reaching. It demonstrates China's growing capability to project influence and support its allies or partners well beyond its borders. A sophisticated satellite network provides a significant intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) advantage. This ISR capability can be used to monitor troop movements, identify potential targets, and assess battlefield damage. For a country like Pakistan, access to such data can be a considerable force multiplier. However, this reliance on Chinese satellite support also creates vulnerabilities. If the satellite links are disrupted, the effectiveness of Pakistan's Chinese-supplied military hardware could be significantly degraded. Is China's Jutan drone mothership a game-changing threat or a grandiose gamble? The answer lies somewhere in between. A platform launching over 100 coordinated drones has disruptive potential. It could overwhelm air defenses and offer a novel offensive capability. Yet, significant doubts raised by experts cannot be dismissed. The Jutan's size and visibility make it a vulnerable target. Coordinating a large drone swarm in contested environments is challenging. A single strike could neutralize the entire system. The Jutan may be more aspirational than combat ready.